माननीय सभासद, माननीय सभापति जी।
One minute. Honorable members, please, 1 minute. Please do sit down. I refer with profound sorrow to the passing away of Shri Vishwajit P. Singh, a former member of this House, on the 6th of August 2017 at the age of 71 years. Born in October 1946 at Jalandhar district of Punjab, Shri Singh was educated at the Doon School, Dehradun. Shri Singh was associated with various social welfare activities. He served as a member of the Advisory Council of the Ministry of Textiles from 1984 to 1989, the National Productivity Council in 1988, and the Indian Council for Cultural Relations in 1989. Shri Singh also contributed articles on politics, economics, and perspective planning to several leading dailies. Shri Vishwajit P. Singh represented the state of Maharashtra in this House for 2 consecutive terms from April 1982 to April 1988, and again from April 1998 to April 1994. In the passing away of Shri Vishwajit P. Singh, the country has lost a distinguished parliamentarian. We deeply mourn the passing away of Shri Vishwajit P. Singh. I request members to rise in their places and observe silence as a mark of respect to the memory of the departed. Secretary General will convey, let me finish, please. Secretary General will convey to the members of the bereaved family our sense of profound sorrow and deep sympathy. Papers to be laid on the table. Shri Jagat Prakash Nada. Papers, please. Papers first.
Sir, I rise to lay on the table of the House.
Papers, please.
Papers mentioned against my name at serial number 1 of the today's revised list of business.
Shri Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi.
Sir, on behalf of my colleague Shri Vijay Goyal, I rise to lay on the table of the House the paper listed against his name at serial number 2 in today's list of the business.
Let me dispose of this, then I will allow you. No, I will allow you. Let me dispose of this. Okay, point of... Which day you don't have point of order? Santosh Kumar Gangwar.
Sir, with your permission, I rise to lay papers on the table of the House mentioned against my name as serial number 3 in the today's revised list of business. Thank you.
Jay Sinha.
Commission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the documents as mentioned against my name at serial number 4 in the revised list of business for today.
Sri Babul Supriyo.
Permission, I rise to lay papers that are listed against the table against my name at number 5 in today's revised list.
Arjun Ram Meghwal.
Deputy Chairman, sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at the serial number 6 in the today's revised list of business. Thank you.
Dr. Subhash Ramrao Bamri.
Sir, with your kind permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House a copy each of the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 7 in
Sri Babul Supriyo again.
list of business.
With your kind permission, I rise to lay papers listed against my name at serial number 8 in today's revised list of business.
A report on the Indian parliamentary participation in international conference. Secretary General to lay.
I beg to lay on the table a copy in English and Hindi of the report of the participation of the Indian parliamentary delegation at the 133rd Assembly of the IPU held at Geneva, Switzerland from 17th to 21st of October 2015.
A report of the Department later Parliamentary Standing Committee on Personnel, Public Grievances, Law and Justice. Sri Anand Sharma. Okay, Sri Dilip Dilip Pandya, Dilip Bhai Pandya.
Thank you, Deputy Chairman, sir.
Let me dispose of it.
The 92nd
Let me dispose
report
of it. I will come to
in
you. I will
English
come
and
to you.
Hindi
I will come
of
to
the
you.
department related to Parliamentary Standing Committee on Personal Public Grievances, Law and Justice on the subject appraisal and empowerment of civil servants under the central government. This is an important report. Please kindly go through all the members. That is my request.
Statement by
Our
Minister.
chairman has taken much
Okay,
pains in
over.
preparing this report. Thank you, sir.
Statement by Minister Sri Babul Supriyo.
Sir, with your kind permission, I make a statement on the status of action taken on
No,
the
this should be a
observations
question
and
already.
recommendations contained in
It
277th
is
report
there.
of department related to
Question- that will be
Parliamentary
question.
Standing Committee on Industry pertaining to Department of Heavy Industries. Thank you, sir.
Okay. No. All of you. Okay, I will. See, if all of you ask point of order, I am helpless.
Sir.
Yes, let me please. No, let me. If all of you stand up, I cannot. Now to sit down. I first already said. No, Kapil Sibal, I will allow. Naresh, no, I will allow you also. I will allow you also, but Naresh, every day you are raising a point of order. Today you allow someone else also.
Sir.
Now, sit down. I will call you also.
Sir,
It is up to me. No, please. I will allow you also. Sit down. No. I will call you also. I will allow you also. Why you want? Eh? Yeah. Okay. Kapilji, one second. What is your? 1 minute. I will allow you. What is your? Suno. No, Naresh, this is unfair. I first called Kapil Sibal, then you are instigating. No.
Sir, since a member is being denied his rights, मैं नया मेंबर हूँ और मेरे अधिकार का हनन
नया मेंबर को कोई प्रेफरेंस नहीं है।
No, please. मेरा आपसे निवेदन है कि मेरा सुन लिया जाए प्लीज। और मैं निवेदन करूंगा माननीय कपिल सिब्बल जी से कि 1 मिनट के लिए प्लीज नया सदस्य होने के नाते मेरा थोड़ा सा सम्मान करें। चालू करो। माननीय उपसभापति जी, हमारी नियमावली में नियम 60 के तहत आधे घंटे चर्चा कराए जाने की एक व्यवस्था है। मैंने एक प्रश्न के उत्तर को ठीक न समझते हुए, सही न समझते हुए आधे घंटे की चर्चा कराए जाने का प्रतिवेदन सचिवालय में प्रस्तुत किया था। 1 हफ्ते के बाद माननीय सभापति जी के मंजूरी देने के बाद सचिवालय से मुझे यह पत्र प्राप्त हुआ कि आपके प्रश्न को आधे घंटे की चर्चा के लिए 8 तारीख को शाम 5 बजे का समय नियत किया गया है। वो पत्र मेरे हाथ में है जो सचिवालय से जारी हुआ है। जब 4 तारीख को 8 तारीख की कार्य सूची जारी हुई, उसमें आधे घंटे की चर्चा लिखित नहीं थी, उसके अंदर नहीं दर्शाई गई थी। मैंने सचिवालय से संपर्क किया तो मुझे यह इंप्रेशन दिया गया कि सरकार का कुछ रिजर्वेशन है, इस विषय पर वो चर्चा करवाना शायद नहीं चाहते। लिहाजा मैं संसदीय कार्य मंत्री से बात करूं। संसदीय कार्य मंत्री से मेरी बात हुई, उन्होंने भी मुझे यही आभास किया कि इस विषय पर चर्चा करवाना उचित नहीं है क्योंकि मंत्री को बहुत सारे काम हैं और इसे छोड़ दीजिए। माननीय उपसभापति जी, जब मुझे सचिवालय से आधे घंटे की चर्चा कराए जाने के लिए समय नियत किए जाने के बाद सूचना दी जा चुकी है और संशोधित कार्यावली जो आमतौर पर हफ्ते के पहले दिन जारी नहीं होती, इस बार संशोधित कार्यावली भी जारी हुई है, उसमें भी मेरे इस विषय का उल्लेख नहीं है। ये मेरे अधिकारों का हनन है। मैं नया सदस्य हूं, हम लोग कम बोलते हैं, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि हम कुछ जानते नहीं हैं, हम सवालों के औचित्य को समझ नहीं सकते हैं। मैं आपकी रूलिंग चाहता हूं कि एक बार पत्र जारी होने के बाद चर्चा कब हटाई जा सकती है।
No. You see, has the chairman announced it in the house that will be taken up?
I got a letter from secretariat.
He got the letter from secretariat.
Written letter.
कुछ घपला है क्या भाई? मंत्री जी क्यों नहीं जवाब देना चाहते हैं? घपला है कुछ क्या? लग रहा है घपला है।
कुछ ऐसे सवाल हैं। Listen. Now please listen. No, I was only I wanted to know the more details about that. You are correct. You gave notice, isn't it? And the notice has been, the Secretariat has referred it to the concerned ministry, and the concerned ministers has to agree, because the time, question of time, when it is to be taken up. So if the chairman has assured you, it will be taken up. If anything more is to be said by Naqvi,
sir,
as you got anything to...
Honorable member ने जो बात कही है, सुषमा जी यहाँ पर आई, एक्सटर्नल अफेयर मिनिस्ट्री और पूरे देश के बारे में और विदेश के बारे में उन्होंने बहुत विस्तार से यहाँ पर चर्चा हुई और सभी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़ ने उसमें पार्टिसिपेट किया। सुषमा जी ने जो पत्र लिखा था ऑनरेबल चेयरमैन को, उसमें उन्होंने ये लिखा था कि जिन मुद्दों पर भी विदेश से संबंधित, विदेश मामलों से संबंधित जिन मुद्दों पर भी माननीय सदस्य चर्चा करना चाहते हैं, उसमें ऑनरेबल मेंबर का भी नाम था कि ऑनरेबल मेंबर के बारे में भी था कि उनके मुद्दे को भी इसमें जोड़ लिया जाए, और जोड़ने के बाद उन्होंने इस पे चर्चा में रिप्लाई दिया उन्होंने।
Now, Naresh Agrawal ji, honorable member, let me say, this is okay. That's what I am saying. Now listen. That's what I am saying. आप भी सुनिए. See, yes, you are given notice. This has been referred to the minister. Concerned minister has written to the chairman a letter. Now, this is not to be discussed here. Honorable chairman will take a decision on that, and the decision will be informed to you. Sit down. Yes, and the decision will be informed to you.
Let me make a small point, sir.
Yeah, that's all. It is not to be discussed here and decided. What is it? Kapil Sibal, what is your point of order?
To point out, sir, आज पहली बार आपके द्वारा मतलब देश की...
You are asking a point of order first time. I agree.
The point of order is, sir, that today we have discovered why this government took a decision on demonetization. It had. सुनो तो सही, sir.
No.
Sir,
under what rules, sir?
Just hear me.
Let him come with a substantive. No.
Just hear me.
He is asking under what rule? Under what? Honorable minister is asking under what rule? Let him explain that.
Sir.
No.
Sir, Reserve Bank of India दो किस्म के नोट छपती है.
So what?
छपाती है. Different size के.
So what?
Different size के. Different design के.
Different
features के.
Sir, how it is the point of order?
Yeah, that is the correct point. How it can be the point of order? You have to follow the rule.
This is a misuse of point of order.
सदन के पटल पे रखे हैं.
Now, Kapil Sibal ji,
Bring a substantive motion.
Authenticate किया है मैंने. Authenticate किया है. सदन के पटल पे रखे हैं. और दोनों नोट के साइज डिफरेंट है. देखिए RBI और आज हमें पता चला है.
Sir, that's a different issue.
आज पता चला है क्यों ऐसा हुआ है.
That is not a point of order. Yes, that is a different issue.
It should not be allowed.
जो नोट भाजपा के कार्यकर्ता के पास इलेक्शन के दौरान है, वो यही नोट हैं जो RBI छापती है.
That is not a point of order. An issue for a point of order.
It should be
problem is this.
There are two types of even if there are two types of notes, how can it be a question of point of order? How is it point of order? No. What is it? My only question is, even if there are two types of notes, how can it be a point of order? That is all what I am asking. 258 क्या है?
और आप कहते हैं कि ये सीरियस नहीं है, बताना चाहिए सबसे सीरियस इशू है। ये इस सेंचुरी का सबसे बड़ा स्कैम है। ये इस सेंचुरी का सबसे बड़ा स्कैम है कि गवर्नमेंट ही 2
सेंचुरी का सबसे बड़ा
किस्म के नोट छापती है।
आपके सरकार में क्या
No, this is not a point of order issue. No, please. Not a point. I have not understood.
देश का गरीब, देश का कमजोर
This is not a point of order issue.
आप देश के साथ धोखा कर रहे हो। इसीलिए हम समझते थे कि यहाँ क्या से 1000 करोड़ रुपए आता है आपको इलेक्शन लड़ाने के लिए,
No, please.
करने के लिए। आपकी पार्टी क्या 2 किस्म के नोट छापते हो। आप 2 किस्म के नोट छापते हो।
आपकी पार्टी
अरे आपको मालूम नहीं होगा,
बचाती रही है।
आपके मालूम नहीं होगा 2 किस्म के नोट।
आज देश
हमने हुकूमत की, हमने 2 किस्म के नोट नहीं छापे, एक पार्टी के लिए और सरकार के लिए।
No, please.
अब मालूम हो गया, अब मालूम हो गया पैरेलल इकोनॉमी क्या चलती है। ये पैरेलल इकोनॉमी चलती है।
LOP, please.
2 किस्म के 1000 के नोट, 2 किस्म के 500 के नोट, एक पार्टी चलाए और एक सरकार चलाए। पार्टी में भी आपके लिए लड़ाई जाएगी।
No, please. I am not allowing. I am not allowing.
ये नहीं
No, please. Not a point of order issue. Why? So what? Then how can it be a point of order? How can it be a point of order?
इस गवर्नमेंट को सत्ता में रहने का हक नहीं है। 5 मिनट भी सत्ता में रहने का हक नहीं है। जो सरकार
आप रोज हारते हैं।
Honorable LOP, please. No, please. Please allow me. No, please allow me. Please allow me. No, please. No, please allow me. No, please allow. No. Please allow me.
500 के भी 2
No, no, please. LOP. Please allow me. No. You listen. No, please. No, I am only saying, even if there are 2 types of notes, it cannot be a point of order issue. You raise it in some other form. How can I allow a point of order on that? That is not an issue for point of order. No. No, please.
What is the point of order? The point of order is Mr. Kapil Sibal has raised an issue. It's a serious issue and the rule is 258. Please look at 258.
No, yes.
So give him a chance to raise it.
Yeah.
Look at the notes.
So,
you look at the notes.
No,
the finance minister is here.
There are other modes by which you can take it, not through point of order.
But 258, you please look at 258.
No, 258, so what?
So that's the point. Any point can be raised on 258.
No.
Look at the note.
No.
No, sir.
It should be, the point of order should be something regarding the list of business.
No.
Affecting our list of business.
Any point on 258. Sir, any point.
No,
Sir,
that
you
is
look
it.
at these
No.
Nothing to do with that. Sir, nothing to do with list of business. You look at 258.
Sir, point of order. Sir, point of order. Sir, it can be a point of order when you question the list of business or the agenda of the house. You can, you raise it in some minister, you raise it in some other form. Yes, minister.
The currency note, from where have they got those currency notes?
Yeah.
Let them explain that.
Yeah.
This is not a point of order, sir. Sorry.
It is not a point of order. You can bring it through some other form if you want. I don't mind. Yes. शरद यादव जी, आपको क्या, शरद यादव जी क्या है?
आपका ऑनर।
श्रीमान शरद यादव जी, पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर का इशू नहीं है।
सुनिए सर, ये धरती, ये पूरे ग्लोब में कोई एक देश नहीं है कि एक रिजर्व बैंक नोट छापे, 2 तरह के नोट नहीं छप सकते। ये कैसे छपे, सरकार को जवाब देना पड़ेगा। ये साइज मैं दे सकता हूँ आपके सामने, साइन करके दे सकता हूँ, ये दोनों का साइज।
ऐसा है तो आपको दूसरा नोटिस देना पड़ेगा।
ये मामूली बात नहीं है,
अलग नोटिस देना पड़ेगा।
ये तबाह क्यों हुआ है? ये है
भैया, अलग नोटिस देना पड़ेगा।
एक बड़ा है, छोटा
I cannot examine it now. I am not an expert. You will have to give another notice. I cannot examine the notes now. I am not an expert. I am telling you. See, honorable members, no, please. Sharad Yadav ji, Sharad Yadav, listen to me. You are showing me photocopy of notes. Please.
I can show you here.
Okay. No, I agree. But yes, Derek O'Brien, I am not an expert for this to examine this. You give separate notice, we will consider. You give separate notice. I am not the expert to examine it. You give notice.
1 minute. 1 minute. Give me a chance. Sir, give me a chance. 2-5. You asked for the rule.
I told you. Whatever maybe I have given the ruling. You give another notice. You give separate notice.
Sir, the notes have been tabled with your office.
I am not allowing under 250.
Sir, the notes have been tabled with your office.
I am not allowing under
The member has tabled the
258.
notes with your office.
I am not allowing under
These are
258.
different. I'll give this to the finance minister. Please ask for it. Sir, the notes have been tabled by the member.
Yes, give it to finance minister. I have no objection.
Sir, the notes have been tabled.
There is no such provision that you can flash any paper at any time and say it's a point of order. There are rules under which you give notice. You start raising issues with regard to the currency of the country in this manner and such irresponsible statements are made. There is a misuse of 0 hour going on and it should not be permitted at all.
So 258.
No, sir. No, why don't you give notice, separate notice?
You'll get a reply. You'll get a reply how frivolous your whole
I have
case
not
is.
received.
You have been raising, once you raised the issue of Nota, it was found out that it was during your government that it was issued. You have been raising frivolous issues every day in the 0 hour without giving notice, so that they can't be verified.
Okay, in any case, you have to give another notice. You have to give another notice. I have to proceed. You have to give another notice. No, please. I further allow. No. 267 notice. No.
Which are different in size,
It is
different
not
in marking.
It is not to be discussed on a point of order. That is all what I am saying.
Before the credibility of the currency in circulation has been challenged as like today.
So you,
never before in the history
you
of
give
the country.
it in any case. It is not to be discussed under point of order. You can give another. It cannot be taken up under point of order. You give, if you want, you give another notice. See, there are provisions in the rules. You can give other notices. You can give other notices. No, please. 267. 3PL Punia 267. Not allowed. No. Digvijay ji, I am only saying. Digvijay ji, I am only saying that this cannot be discussed under point of order. You give separate notice. We will examine. The chairman will examine. The chairman will examine. The chairman, honorable chairman will examine. Honorable chairman will examine it. No. Only. Honorable chairman will examine it. Sit down. If you are given notice, that will be examined. Sit down. Now, if you are given notice, honorable chairman will examine it. Now you sit down. I told you, if notice has already, see, under what rule you have given notice? 169. Okay, under 169 or 167, if you are given notice, there is a procedure. Honorable Chairman will examine it and come back to the House. Come back to the House. PL Punia.
ये इतना बड़ा घोटाला हुआ है, इतना बड़ा घोटाला है, इसके बारे में ये घोटाला हुआ है, रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया ने किया है, इसके ऊपर ध्यान दीजिए।
Naresh Agarwal, both have given 0 hour notice. I will go to 0 hour. Where is 0 hour notice? 0 hour Pramod Tiwari.
छप रही है भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लिए, एक नोट छप रही है देश के कैदी के लिए। भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने देश के साथ कितना बड़ा विश्वासघात किया है, ये देश के साथ धोखा है, ये इस सदी का सबसे बड़ा घोटाला है जो भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार ने किया है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार दो तरह की नोटें छपवा रही है, एक भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लिए और एक भारत के देश के लिए। ये सबसे बड़ी घोटालेबाज भ्रष्ट सरकार है। इस समय देश को ये लूट रहे हैं। आप सारे नियम कानून छोड़कर देश के बैंकों में, इसीलिए मैंने ये जो नोटिस दी इसलिए दी है कि बैंक के जो ग्रामीण अंचलों में है वहाँ कोई पैसा इसलिए नहीं है कि जो पैसा है वो भारतीय जनता पार्टी के कार्यकर्ताओं को दिया जा रहा है। आज देश चल नहीं रहा है क्योंकि वहाँ के बैंकों में जब चेक लेकर कोई जाता है तो उससे यही कहा जाता है कि कैश नहीं है। कैश हो तो कैसे हो? इस देश में का बड़ा फ्रॉड हुआ है। आजादी के बाद आज तक इतना बड़ा फ्रॉड धोखा नहीं हुआ है। मैंने इसीलिए नोटिस दी है कि आज अगर देश के बड़े
Pramod Tiwari, are you saying your 0 hour?
Yes, I'm saying आज देश के बैंकों में पैसा नहीं है क्योंकि देश के ग्रामीण अंचल के बैंकों में पैसा इसलिए नहीं है कि दो तरह की नोट छप रही है।
House is adjourned for 15 minutes.
एक नोट देश के लिए,
Adjourned for 15 minutes.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लिए।